Hey, my name is Garrett Hinkle and I'm here today to show you guys the locking system on Dura-Trac flooring, the slide locks and the cam locks. Here I have the stand-up key that Dura-Trac flooring offers. It has a 5/16 Allen key in it, and you spin it clockwise in the male cam to tighten the floor and counterclockwise to loose it. Here I have the pull tool that Dura-Trac offers for their flooring. It goes in the top left corner in the oval cutout to tighten the male slide into the female slide. As you guys can see here, it's a pretty simple installation with our stand-up key and our pull tool. These guys have never laid Dura-Trac down, and in just a couple minutes, anybody can learn it, and it's a super quick and easy installation.